Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, making an adjustment. And that's a 14 by 14 inch canvas. And I am going to try and spread some Meeden paint, some Meeden white paint, to begin with as a starting layer. And then I'm thinking about putting a puddle of paint on. This is my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. Best paint spreading tool I know of. Especially since it helps you see all the weird stuff in your paint. For that I have tweezers. So I want to do a smear inspired by, oh gosh, brain cramp. Oh well. Gail Burston, there we go. She's quite the photographer too, if you check her out her stuff. She just started paint pouring some time ago. I don't even think it's been years yet. But she has a lot of fun with her critters. So I have to be ready to actually do something now. And what I think I want to do is be kind of frivolous seeming. I want what would be considered a somewhat even layer of a puddle. And I still like to put the black in there. Even though I'm going to be using a black cell activator on my tool. My tool I think is going to be the pie cutter. And I've got some Venetian blue that doesn't sink. It's left over from what I just mixed. It's probably a slightly different formula than my usual because I was using Floetrol to get the last of the paint out of the bottom of the container. And it looks so strong I thought it was worth using. So I'm thinking about starting at this end and going that way. And using all my purples and blues. That is a color that I just mixed. This was the Venetian blue from Modern Masters. I was being called to turquoise, so I'm just going to go ahead and give myself some of... Do I want the chrysocolla? No, I don't. I want the turquoise that I mixed myself. They don't sell it anymore, so I have to make my own version of it. So let's just start this way and see what happens. I have a small bottle. I originally, when I made this formula up, I mixed 2 ounces of black Amsterdam paint. And then I mixed into that 2 ounces of paint that had pouring medium in it, 10 drops. I gotta remember to go, I'm going that way, so I want this. I also want that paint that I just spilled. How do I get that? There we go. Now I got a lot of beautiful cells, and I might just do nothing with this. I might just decide that I think it's cool as it is. Because that's what I was thinking about earlier. And I could probably do something else. As a matter of fact, I really want to play with doing something else. So I'm just going to mess with it. I'm going to give myself a puddle of paint to pull down into and hope that my theory is right. I'm not going to clean off my, I want to call it a spatula, but my trowel. Now, if you don't have a heavy enough layer of paint, you don't get the same cell reaction. And I put down the white. I don't want the Amsterdam. There we go. I want the Meeden. It is not coming out very quickly, as you can see. And I am going to play whatever game it is that makes me happy with the paint that I've got until such time as I don't feel like it anymore. And that may include blowing out some of this Amsterdam black. Every day I think about experimenting with how I would do a dragon. I'm getting pretty close to thinking I might want to do something else with that. Come out. Let's try, shall we? No. Let's stick with the same colors. That's hard for me. I like adding colors. I like the little cells I got. I'm thinking strongly about using some of the mysterious, the very last of it that I have hoarded. And it's very, very tempting right about now. If my Meeden was coming out a little faster, I'd be even more tempted. Just use the big bottle. And where is it? There it is. And it's open. I would have stopped, but it didn't want to go. It didn't want to stop. So I'm going to use some of this electric blue from Arteza. I kind of want to bring that down here. Might even want to add a little bit of that right there. I'm kind of figuring if I blow it out first, then I don't have to put quite as much wind into the next stage. I need to have a tissue ready. Because I forget constantly that when you use a straw, you can't help but get a little spit once in a while. So I'm thinking about and feeling like just continuing on I just opened you. You have to be open. There we go. It's not. Okay then. I really wanted that color. I really, really, really did. Back to the paper towel again. So I'm going to find myself a nice little skewer. That's the hot orchid. It just has water mixed with it. And I think a little of that is going to go a very long way. I got a bubble. Yeah, I like just a little bit of that right now. Which is good because it's super costly. But worth it. So worth it. And it usually bleeds into and affects anything that it's around, which I actually like. So I've got black here, pull that forward, that I need to come down over my edge. I'm trying to lift the tile instead of the canvas. Oh, I'm so foolish sometimes. I forgot about that. I wanted to put something else with it, and I think that's something else. Looks like I've got another dot up there I need to think about too. I'll figure it out in a minute. Yep. I think I'm just going to let these mix. Although I do kind of want to play with the Amsterdam. Yeah, I like that black line. I think I want another one. So I have over 93,000, or very nearly 93,000 today, subscribers. And if you are a new one, please be welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. If you're not new, thank you so much. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for hanging on through thick and thin. If you're not subscribed, please be welcomed. Please join us if you'd like. We'd love to have you. I'm wanting something really strange. Yeah. Like a whole nother color. Just like a little green shoot. Except for I really didn't expect there to be pink on that, and I wasn't paying attention. I've got 2 minutes left to tell you guys I do sell my artwork, and my email address to reach me if you're so inclined is below the link tree, directly underneath the video. Also in the link tree you find Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. My Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. I kind of like those dots. I'm gonna float my skewer. So what do I do with those black areas? I guess it depends on if I can get any white paint to come out. So I should tell you guys stuff. Kind of like the stuff I always tell you. Like, please like my videos. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for all of the donations that help keep me painting. If you would like to be somebody who helps support the production of videos and keeps me buying art supplies, then look for the PayPal and Patreon icons on the YouTube channel banner on the bottom right hand corner, and you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. And if you're interested in being in the drawing, you can see what's available for prizes on the exhibition video that I include on the end screens of every video. I want some blue over there. So this is, I gotta call this a modified schmear because I modified my attitude. I think I want some green over here though. That's the chrysocolla. Maybe I didn't really want any. I got 1 minute left to tell you guys whatever I need to. I have over 1,900 videos, and you can find them on all playlists, creative playlists on my YouTube channel. If you have questions, ask. I'm happy to help you. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipe, it is underneath Show More, underneath the video. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, and Expressionist Art Studio Totes and More are all Facebook groups on my page. Look for my Amazon link if you can shop there. It helps me out at no added cost to you, and I really appreciate it. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget my email address. Oh, and I wasn't close enough. Hopefully you get to see some of that before we're done. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Wow. That's way back there. I'll see you anon. Pull it forward. There we go. Bye for now. Priscilla out.